When I walk, you can see the paw prints. Heard her nigga beat her ass. Don't be hitting our bitch, nigga. D to the A, tree from the bay. Got a freak in LA, flew to me today. Me and Bo still locked in, ain't shit changed. Pint talk, nigga, we got more 16s than a 10th grade.
I'm a bitch breaker, move like the Undertaker. Gripping on my blick in the crib, in the elevator. Move with the amputated rap niggas, animators. Talking like they hard on the neck, they just commentators. My niggas is confiscators, take your little chain, pawn. I'm in that little ghost, I'm in that little dawn. I'm in that little pussy shit, feeling like a...
Yo, what's good, yo, boy? It's your boy, SRT, and I'm back again with another banger, bro. If you're new to the channel, bro, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. Cause man, we going up, and some more up. You did what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel as well, we are driving a slightly, but you feel me, gold nugget, my tune 392 Daytona. We do got a lot of new subscribers and stuff, so you know what I'm saying. For the people who new, who want to rock with your boy, this see got that security on there. That ain't the only thing on here either. You feel me? We finna go to, y'all know, Mopar's favorite spot to go to, tire shop. Shout out to that boy D, man. He done gave me a fresh new pair, so I'm finna go buy me another one. So I'm gonna put these two on, and then I'm gonna take this one on. I'm gonna say this one, cause this one's still good. So let me get this cold start, bro. My car hasn't been driven in like 2 days, bro. This. Golly, it's hot in here, boy. Put the AC on full blast. Look at this. This car is boof right now, man. Sit y'all right there. We're gonna let this warm up because Nuggets have been breasting for 2 days. Let him get his chill on. Oh, we already at 100. Trans good, oil good. Oil change coming up. My oil should be in on Monday. I ordered it. You see, it's about that time. Oil change coming in, and yeah, y'all just stay tuned, man. I might do a little 1-2 pop, but it's not really much on the road, bro. That's why I don't really like recording stuff while I'm driving, because it ain't really much on the road to record, you know what I'm saying? So see, that's another cop, bro. I told you, bro, we got so many cops. Look, one right there, that's my boy car right there, you feel me? That's my guy, that's my guy. But all the other cars, I don't know them people. You know what I'm saying? I don't know where they coming from, but I don't like it. You finna even start buzzing for real? They finna be on, yeah, knocking on my door. Hey, man, you gotta be careful. Look, I told y'all. You thought I was capping. There's cops everywhere right here. All right, we're gonna go to RTR first, though, because RTR is a little cheaper. So we're gonna see what they got. And if they got some shit, then I don't gotta go way over there on the other side, one Haven, and try to get tires. You know what I'm saying? I could just go up the hot skip road and call it a day. Put in the comment section right now, bro. What do y'all do when y'all first wake up? Do y'all smoke first? Do y'all eat first? Do y'all play the game first? Do y'all smack your girl butt first type shit? What do I do first, bro? Me? I wake up, go on Instagram. I check all my analytics, my YouTube analytics, Instagram. I really don't use TikTok like that. People tell me to do it. I just post on TikTok. I ain't gonna lie. I go on my social medias. I check my DMs, see who texts me, see who's asking me questions about the tune. Then I get up, brush my teeth. That's pretty much it. That's how my day is. And it's the summer, so like I told you, there's gonna be a great summer, bro. All the people, everybody got their whips outside. It's gonna be a great summer, man. But yeah, stay tuned when I get to tire shop. Like I said, it ain't really much on the road. If I had someone with me riding, then I would, you feel me? We'll vlog that. But right now I'm just dolo. Yeah, I might go sliding later. Yeah, we'll see. What I did? Ah, perfect. Yeah. Let's do it. And they brand spanking new. But I got, okay, so I need that, but I have one in the car. Cool? All right. Yeah, this one's good. So I'm gonna say this one, but yeah, I have another one you can put both of them on. Man, goddamn nugget, tighten up.
Hey, round with some shit, I let it bust, I might just lose control. Brand new Supreme fit, color something, you put up your nose.
Yeah, we ain't gotta go to corner ties tight. No. Boom! We done finally touched down in the temple. Well, kind of, we already been in temple. But yeah, we got that. Shit's out. Super, yo. We got chopping in here. We got everybody there. I mean, so what we finna got down do? You finna slide some shit?
He said he finna slide. I don't know what the fuck he talking about.
You finna slide some shit?
Plus. Bitch, I love the sweat. Yeah. Bitch, I love the glees. Custom call my phone, bitches better about a.
Chill. Man, we moving. Big ass truck kicking rocks and shit. That be loud. Yeah, not for real. For real? You gotta send that bitch to me now. Chill. It's a movie. I think that's a. Nah, I ain't troll right now.
Going to jail.
Ain't no fucking these. We some starter cheese. Every 1200.
Them niggas is too goddamn turned. Can we just go before we die, please? Them boys two turn got me goddamn. Man, Chuck, goddamn, what?
Oh, your shit so fucking loud.
Is it for real? You was way out there, heard that.
I'm talking about leaving the barbershop.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
loud as a bitch.
Yeah. When I redlined up here.
You all the rock Oh, you swear I said, oh, shit. Can't say wait for the camera.
Huh?
Loud as fuck.
Yeah?
Your shit loud as a bitch.
Loud as fuck.
Man, these boys out here goddamn sliding and shit. I don't know the Daytona weighing the bike and shit. And this nigga, bro, I'm way back there seeing smoke. I see a car slide. I said, this nigga just is on demon time.
OD.
Bro, ready. Let's take a hike out now. Let's see what they got out chill, man. Get this shit out.
Let's go.
That shit hard, let's go. That shit hard, let's go.
Come on.
I keep a K when I'm in